Hey, I was at some friend's place last night, and they had a bunch of Atlas books, stuff like that. They had so many things that it was just like, oh my god, this is amazing. But there, I finally got a chance to just sit down and look up the Cancer star system because I was born on June 25th. Um, and there's something about a beehive star cluster formed in a triangle. After I found that out last night, it encouraged me to keep making these videos. So if you do decide to upload something and you see any kind of synchronicity, roll with it. Have fun. Don't get scared. Don't follow the problems. Follow the solutions, because that's that's the higher side.